Let's tackle this item from the to-do list. Need ability to mark a task as completed. So our tree will need a completed property, and a checkbox would be a good idea as the tool to implement this with. Let's get started. Let's go to our TaskQueue container.cpp and move on down to the create tree function. And let's add a property here, t.setProperty. Wait for that autocomplete. Identifier's name will be completed, and the value will be false. And no undo manager because we're just creating the node. Okay, cool. Now let's go to our TaskQueue item component header, and let's add our checkbox next. Just add it right here. Toggle button, completed button. And we'll do the same thing where we make it visible over here. Add and make visible, completed button. And now let's link it to the tree property. So we'll do completed button dot get toggle state value. This one right here. Dot refer to tree dot get property as value, and we want that completed property completed. And we'll do the same owner dot get undo manager. And now we'll squeeze it to the left of our label. So go down to the resized function, or more correctly, we will make it a square that is a bit smaller than our height, and it'll sit to the left of the label. So let's get rid of, we'll put it right before this. So we'll do completed button dot set bounds, and we want it to be the same, it's going to be in the far left edge, and it's going to be the same height as whatever our bounds is. So we'll do bounds dot get x, bounds dot get y, and it'll be the same height all around. So bounds dot get height, bounds dot get height, like that. All right, clean it up a little bit, put them all on the same line so it's easy to look at. All right, now for this guy, if we display it the way it is now, the label is going to sit on top of the completed button. We don't want that, so we need to shrink bounds a little bit. So bounds dot remove from left, we're gonna crop a chunk out of the left side of this, which is gonna be this amount right here. Remove from left, bounds dot get height, and we'll give ourselves a little bit of room, so there's a little bit of a gap between the completed button and the label. We'll do this. And let's run it and see how it looks. All right, it doesn't look like anything, but there is a space for it. Okay, so maybe we need to change the colors the same way that we did with the label. Let's see. Let's go into this toggle button and see if we can figure out which colors get used. So let's go to our toggle button. Let's go to the CPP file, toggle button.cpp. And let's see, where's our paint function? Paint button, okay. So draw toggle button, let's go inside that. Look and feel, draw this. This is a virtual function, that's not what we want. So again, let's go to version, look and feel v4. Let's do that. All right, this looks like something here. Okay, this is all for drawing text, so we're gonna ignore that, so we're just gonna go right into draw tick box. Okay. All right, set color. Tick disabled color, and this is for a rounded rectangle. Okay, this is probably the border, so tick disabled is the border, and then if ticked, tick color ID, and then this is where we have the actual path right here. Okay, so tick disabled is our border, and then our color is going to be when it's ticked is this tick color ID. Okay. All right, let's go back to our TaskQueue item component.cpp. And we can do completed button dot set color, and we want toggle button color IDs, and let's make the tick, let's make it green. Colors green, why not? And we'll do the other one for the actual border around it. Completed button set color toggle button color IDs. And we wanted that disabled color. Yeah, that's the one. Let's do a dark gray color again. Colors, dark gray. All right, let's take a look and see how that looks. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, let's check them off. Bam! Okay, that looks pretty cool. I like that. I'm into that. All right, let's go to our to-do list and check that guy off. Add ability to mark a task as completed. Done. Excellent.